Hey guys, so today as you can see we have a little S2000 in the shop. We will replace the clutch on that car because it has a lot of miles on it. So we will install a clutch master FX300, and as you can see in my 8th gen video, I used to run the clutch master FX725. So these clutch I have a lot of it. They went very good for me. So they do always come with the OEM Japanese bearing. So that's a very good thing, because S2000 you don't want to have the bearing fail, because it's a pull type and not a push type. So yeah, let's begin to work on that car. So, first thing to do in there is to remove the shift knob, then remove the center console, so we can remove the shifter assembly. So we will do that right now. Okay, so now transmission is removed, out of the way, clutch is removed. I was fighting that thing. It appears that the engine has already been replaced before, And that bolt in the top is just cut there and hanging out, so I've been fighting that a lot. And as you can see there, clutch is pretty much gone. So hold the spring have a ton of play. That thing must have a lot of clutch buzz. And that bearing was trash. This is the main reason why I did replace that, just because of that bearing. As you can see, it's trash. So there you have it, the OEM bearing, the trash bearing. As you can see, it was falling apart. It was making all kinds of funny noise. So that's the OEM. It will not focus, but it's the Nachi bearing. So be sure to use that. And if you work on the S2000, don't forget to put the fork back in, because a lot of guys forget it and then they will end up cutting the casing to put the fork in. But that's not the way I do it. So I already forgot it one time, and I have to take it back apart to well, I put it in there, but it was the wrong way, and when everything is engaged, you cannot flip it. So yeah, be sure to not to forget your shift fork. There you have it, both discs side to side. So that one is a Kevlar, and that's just an organic OEM disc replacement by XLE. That's the Clutch Master one. So like I told you, Clutch Master are really good parts. And yeah, another thing, don't forget to put your bearing in the center, because you will have a really bad time putting it back if everything is mounted. So guys, when you're working on your Honda, be sure to have that grease there, super high temp Uri grease from Honda. I had a very good luck with that grease on a race car, street car. And, yeah, so be sure to use that grease, super high temp Uri grease. like to do when I have a new clutch installed, it's just to run through the gear on the lift. So it will just give a little break in of the clutch before putting load out on it. Clutch pedal feel really nice. Free play is just perfect. So everything is adjusted right there. Let's just run through the gear. So if you like that little video, please give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.